Asheville's food scene is bursting with international flavors. Here are just a few of the tastiest spots in town. Let's kick things off downtown at Limones, where they serve up traditional Mexican cuisine with French and Californian influences. The local favorite has to be the halibut, perfectly seared and served over a bed of cooked kale and lentils with a grained mustard lemon sauce and a pineapple green onion pico drizzle. For traditional Vietnamese soup, look no further than Wild Ginger Noodle, where they serve over 300 bowls of delicious pho every day. You have to try the house special. Rice noodles, thinly sliced steak, meatballs, brisket and tendon with scallions and cilantro covered in their signature broth that has been simmering for 2 days. Known for their healthy salads, fresh falafel, and spit-roasted meats, Baba Nahm is the spot for delicious Middle Eastern dishes on the quick. The best dish here has to be the Lamb Shawarma Pita. Warm pita bread stuffed with hummus, Israeli salad, parsley salad, Arabic pickled vegetables, and thinly sliced lamb with chug drizzled on top. For food on the go, there's Bun Intended, a fun and fresh food truck serving up delicious Thai. The favorite dish here is the pork belly bao. Brined, then marinated for 48 hours, the pork belly is slow cooked to perfection, then sliced and seared. With hoisin sauce, daikon and carrots, cucumbers, and finished off with a Thai mustard glaze and green onion. Asheville's beloved Bistro Bouchon is known for serving large portions of delicious French comfort food. The most popular dish here has to be the steak frites bouchon with award-winning fries. Pan-seared beef shoulder tenderloin finished off at 350 degrees, sliced and served with roasted veggies along with a tower of fries. With all of these incredible flavors, you can travel the culinary world right here in Asheville.